After sign in, click on your profile, then click on Security Center, that will manage your security and privacy settings. Click on Google Authenticator. Copy the setup key from the app. The app will show a QR code, a setup key or secret key, letters and numbers. Tap Copy Setup Key. Keep this page open. Save the setup key in a private place where only you can access it. Open Google Authenticator. Tap the plus icon. Select Enter a setup key. Fill in the details. Account name. Enter the app name, example, crypto exchange. Your key. Paste the setup key you copied. Type of key. Select time-based. Tap Add. Get the 6-digit code. Google Authenticator will now show a 6-digit code, a 30-second countdown, then copy or note the code. Enter this code on the website or app where you are enabling Two-Factor Authenticator and it'll be automatically done.
Important notes. Always verify the selected network before making a transfer. Sending funds to an incorrect network may result in permanent loss. Deposits require blockchain confirmations before reflecting in your account. Security reminder. Cofinex will never ask for your password, OTP, or private keys. Always use official Cofinex platforms only. Need assistance? If you face any issues, please contact Cofinex customer support or visit the Help Center for more tutorials.
For help, support at cofinex.io.